Hello, Mr. Dunn's math students. Today I'm going to be reading you the ratio and proportion virtual quiz. There are two parts of this assignment. There's the first 10 questions, and then there's a place to put your written work. First, let's take a look at these 10 questions from Problematic. I'm going to go through and read these answers at a nice slow speed. Every time I get done with one question, make sure to pause the video so that you can do the work and select your answer. Let's get started. Number 1, choose the ratio that is not equivalent to 4/5. Is it A, 8:10, B, 45/50, C, 12:15, or D, 20/25? Remember, we're choosing the ratio that is not equivalent to 4/5. Number 2, a car is traveling at a speed of 30 miles per hour. Which of the following graphs best represents the distance the car has traveled? Here's graph A with distance up the side, time along the bottom. It's going 0, 50, 100, 150, 200 up the side. And the bottom is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that line is dropping. Choice B, time up the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Distance along the bottom, 0, 50, 100, 150, 200. And there's that line, boop, going up. Choice C, distance up the side, time along the bottom, 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. That line, boop, going up. And choice D, distance up the side, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, and speed along the bottom, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 miles per hour. And that line is going straight vertical. Remember, we're looking for a car is traveling at a speed of 30 miles per hour. Which of the following graphs best represents the distance the car has traveled? Question 3. A 20-pound bag of fertilizer costs $19.60. What is the cost per pound? A, $98, B, $9.80, C, $1.02, or D, 98 cents. A 20-pound bag of fertilizer costs $19.60. What is the cost per pound? Question number 4. There are 8 bottles of scented bath gel per gift set. Which graph correctly represents the ratio? Choice A has bottles up the side, counted by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and gift sets going along the bottom, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the dots are making their way up the graph. Choice B has bottles up the side, going up by increments of 5, and gift sets along the bottom going by increments of 1, also going upwards but at a little more gentle slope. Choice C has gift sets going up the side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bottles going along the bottom in increments of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. And you can see the dots dropping. Choice D, we have gift sets going up the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bottles going along the bottom by increments of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. And here are the dots going slowly upwards. Remember what we're looking for? There are 8 bottles of scented bath gel per gift set. Which graph correctly represents the ratio? Number 5. A plane flies from New York to Los Angeles over a route of 3,500 miles in 8 hours. Which proportion could be used to determine how many hours it would take the plane flying at the same speed to fly 2,300 miles? A is 8 over x is equal to 2,300 over 3,500. Choice B is 8 over 3,500 is equal to 2,300 over x. C is 8 over 3,500 is equal to x over 2,300. Or choice D, 8 over 2,300 is equal to 3,500 over x. Remember what we're looking for. A plane flies from New York to Los Angeles over a route of 3,500 miles in 8 hours. Which proportion could be used to determine how many hours it would take the plane to fly, flying at the same speed to fly 2,300 miles? Number 6, which ketchup is the most expensive per ounce? A, 24 ounces for $2.39. Choice B, 32 ounces for $3.29. Choice C, 16 ounces for $1.79. Or choice D, 20 ounces for $1.89. And remember what we're looking for. Which catsup is the most expensive per ounce? Number 7, use the information below to answer the following question. The graph represents the serving sizes of chow mein at a local restaurant. Here, coming up the side, is our serving size in grams: 250, 500, 750, 1,000, 1,250, and so on. Down at the bottom is how many servings that would be: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. You can see the dots connected by this line are going kind of right up the center. Which of these describes the unit rate? Is it A, 1 to 250, where 250 is the unit rate? 3 to 750, where 3 is the unit rate? Choice C, 5 to 1,250, where 1,250 is the unit rate? Or D, 7 to 1,750, where 7 is the unit rate? Remember what we're looking for. The graph represents the serving size of chow mein in the local restaurant. Which of these is the unit rate? Number 8, the table shows the costs of 4 magazine subscriptions. The magazines are Rollers Magazine, International Traveler, Telling Now, and Greatest Adventures. So a Rollers Magazine, you can get 6 issues at $18. International Traveler, you get 8 issues for $32. For the Telling Now magazine, you get 10 issues for $25. And Greatest Adventures, you get 12 issues for $36. Which magazine costs the least per issue? Rollers Magazine, International Traveler, Telling Now, or Greatest Adventures? Number 9, Teresa saw the following advertisement in her local newspaper. Avocados, 2 for $1.50, ripe and delicious. Limit 100 per family. What would be the cost of the 7 avocados? A, $5.25. B, $4.75. C, $4.25. Or D, $3.75. Teresa saw the following advertisement in her local newspaper. Avocados, 2 for $1.50. Ripe and delicious, limit 100 per family. What would be the cost of 7 avocados? Then coming down here to number 10, the table shows the amounts earned from selling copies of 4 recipe books. We have the books Quick Desserts, Lean Meals, Master the Grill, and Easy Appetizers. For the book Quick Desserts, they sold 50 copies for $300. For Lean Meals, they sold 35 copies for $175. For Master the Grill, they sold 40 copies for $160. And for Easy Appetizers, they sold 10 copies for $20. According to the data, which recipe book costs the most? A, Master the Grill, B, Easy Appetizers, C, Quick Desserts, or D, Lean Meals? And remember that you can't get full credit just by selecting those answers. You need to go to the written work for the last 2 problems, number 9 and 10, and you need to be doing some of the written work there, okay? If you don't do that, you, I'm afraid, cannot get full credit. Work for number 9 and 10 on the Jamboard, and then your answers right on here. All right? And remember, you can rewind and play this video as much as you like. Good luck.